Hey everyone, it's Justin Benz, your favorite Lakewood Ranch New Construction specialist. I'm standing inside the loft of this brand new model here at Webb Catalina. This is the Layton Grande model. As shown, $1.4 million out the door. Base price is just under $800,000. So obviously this one is stacked with options. Let's go take a look at it and I'll show you the community. If you want more details on this community, I've already posted a video on YouTube. Just click the link above. This will have all the goods and the details on this brand new 55 and over community here at Webb Catalina. Because in this video, we're going to focus on the models, and when you come to visit, there's 5 beautifully furnished single-family homes, and there's also 2 villa models you can tour. So there's anywhere from 2-bedroom, $360,000 villas here up to 5-bedroom, 4,000 square feet, $1 million homes, which is the Layton Grande coming into your picture today. So take a look at these awesome drone shots from above. Take a look at the architecture, the design. We're also going to do a walkthrough video of the complete inside and the pool area. Here you see it coming into the backyard, overlooking the lake. Leave some comments down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel. So there you go, folks. That is the Layton Grande model. Their biggest home here at Webb Catalina, coming in at $1.4 million as shown. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to leave some comments down below. Hit that like and subscribe button. That'll keep you guys up to date as they progress here at Webb, because this is such a brand new community. They do not even have the amenities open yet, but they're about to launch some stuff here in March and close on their inventory homes. So we're going to start seeing some happy homeowners roll into this community. Hopefully you'll be one of the next ones. Talk to you soon.